Hello, this is David from CarDoc Cornwall with another instalment of the new booth installation. Unfortunately, it appears that some of the video that we shot has disappeared. So this next shot shows the final stages of installing the frames, but you'll notice that it quickly jumps to suddenly where the roof bars are installed. So I'm sorry about that, but I really can't offer an explanation. One of the issues that I mentioned in a previous video was that we didn't have a way to connect the rear frames to the side frames. Turns out that in the shipment the corner posts had been left out. That meant that I had to go and get some aluminium angles to put in the corners to join the frames together. Fortunately, when we put the roof bars in, that held the thing together while we were performing that particular upgrade. You'll notice that we've also installed the grid floor as well. The panels on the floor with what look like holes in are actually the nozzles for the water-based drying system. The fans for that system are mounted on a frame which sits on the roof of the booth, and that's the frame coming into place there. So those three holes there, large holes, are where the fans sit. It was a bit of a task trying to weave that frame through the roof bars. There was still a lot of tidying up to do in fixings and making sure everything was in place and correctly aligned. We also had to install all the electrical cabling ready to power these things. Eventually we got the frame in place, so we were ready to start heaving the fans up. Each one of those weighed about 45-55 kilos. Here's the first one being manoeuvred into place. It was around this time that we discovered another issue. The cutouts in the frame were incorrect. We had to make a modification to it so the airflow would be correct. Fans blow air through the nozzles which are mounted in the top corners and also down the middle of the booth. We spent a lot of time discussing all these different issues and how to resolve them. Thanks for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring for you, but I'm sure that if you're considering installing a spray booth, you might find this of some use to you. See you soon.